không cố ý. Inadvertently. Inadvertently. Vô tình, không cố ý. Vô tình, không cố ý. The error was inadvertently caused during the data entry process. Constituencies. Cử tri nhóm khách hàng. Cử tri nhóm khách hàng. The bank must address the needs of different constituencies, including shareholders and employees. Generic, chung chung, không cụ thể. Chung chung, không cụ thể. The generic financial advice may not apply to every client's situation. Wary, cẩn trọng, thận trọng, cẩn trọng, thận trọng. Investors are wary of entering volatile markets. Spouse, vợ hoặc chồng. A spouse may be entitled to a portion of the employee's retirement benefits. Foreseeable. Có thể thấy trước. The company expects steady growth for the foreseeable future. Meet out of. Gặp gỡ bên ngoài. The executives met out of office to discuss the merger in private. Civil servants. Công chức. Civil servants are often provided with special pension plans. Scatter. Phân tán, rải rác. The company's assets are scattered across multiple countries. Concave. Lâm vào hin long chao. The concave trend in demand suggests a potential rebound in sales. Dissemination, phân phối, phổ biến. The dissemination of financial reports is essential for transparency. Subdued. Bị kiềm chế, yam. The market remains subdued despite the positive news. Drift in. Trôi vào, then chuyển vào. There has been a drift in investor sentiment towards safer assets. Rigid, cứng nhắc, không linh hoạt. The company's rigid policies may limit its ability to adapt to changes. Stewardship, quản lý trông nom. Good stewardship of the company's resources is critical for long-term success. Erosion, sụt xói mòn, giảm giá trị. The erosion of market share has been a concern for investors. Mainstream funds. Quỹ phổ biến, quỹ thông thường. Quỹ phổ biến, most investors prefer mainstream funds due to their lower risk profile. Lumpy. Không đồng đều, không nhất quán. The company's cash flow has been lumpy, causing issues with forecasting. Subsistence. Sự tồn tại, duy trì cuộc sống. Many small businesses operate at a subsistence level, barely breaking even. Dislocation. Sự gián đoạn, hỗn loạn. The dislocation in global supply chains has affected production. Boardly, một cách tổng quát. The company boardly supports the new policy but needs more specifics. Reasoning, lý luận lập luận. His reasoning for the investment was based on market trends, spontaneously. Một cách tự nhiên, tự phát. Markets can react spontaneously to global events. Impulses. Sự thôi thúc xung lực. Short-term market impulses can be hard to predict. Conscious, có ý thức, nhận thức. Investors should be conscious of the risks before entering the market. Diagnostic, chẩn đoán. A diagnostic approach was used to assess the company's financial health. Perseverance. Kiên trì. Perseverance is key to managing long-term investments successfully. Cling, bám vào, giữ lấy. Investors may cling to outdated strategies during periods of uncertainty. Commit, cam kết đầu tư. The board has committed significant resources to the new project. Tenets, nguyên lý, nguyên tắc. One of the core tenets of investing is diversification. Predisposition, khuynh hướng thiên về. His predisposition towards risk-taking makes him a more aggressive investor. Refute, bác bỏ, phủ nhận. The analyst refuted claims that the company was facing bankruptcy. Be to acknowledge, be to acknowledge. Thừa nhận, công nhận, công nhận. The CEO was to acknowledge the role of his team in the company's success. Corroborate. Xác thực, chứng minh. Xác thực, chứng minh. The data corroborates the positive outlook given by the financial analysts. Erroneous. Sai lầm, không chính xác. Sai lầm, không chính xác. The report contained several erroneous assumptions. Prone. Có xu hướng, débit. Có xu hướng, débit. Tech stocks are prone to volatility in times of uncertainty. Guilty, guilty. Có tội, mắc phải, có tội, mắc phải. The company was found guilty of financial mismanagement. Chance events. Chance events. Các sự kiện ngẫu nhiên. Các sự kiện ngẫu nhiên, chance events like natural disasters can have a huge impact on markets. Causal, ngẫu nhiên, không chính thức. Ngẫu nhiên, không chính thức. The CEO made a causal reference to potential future partnerships. Imminent, imminent. Sắp xảy ra, sắp tới, sắp xảy ra, sắp tới. The company faces imminent financial difficulties if the merger falls through.